follow the star. They say your car is an extension of your personality. What your car is, you are. So meet my E63 AMG. Much like me, I like to think. It's stylish on the exterior and tough as nails on the interior. And today, we're both taking the road to South India. South India draws tourists all year round and is known for its coastal climate and pristine beaches. But my journey was all about driving off the beaten track, and I wanted to explore the refreshing hill stations that this region is home to. The major ones are located in the beautiful Nilgiri hills of Tamil Nadu, and that was just where I was headed. My journey began in Coimbatore, the second largest city of the state. From there, north to the gateway of the Nilgiris, Mettupalayam. Driving on National Highway 67, I ventured further into the mist-clad hills, visiting scenic towns like Coonoor, before ending my journey 7,350 feet high in the queen of hill stations, Ooty. For travellers heading up to the Nilgiris, Coimbatore is where you're most likely to begin your journey. It's got an airport and is well connected to the rest of India. Unlike most cities in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore is blessed with a pleasant climate throughout the year. That, coupled with its charming temples and good infrastructure, make Coimbatore a city you'd like to get a taste of before hitting the highways. I, for one, wanted to make the most of the city's clean, wide roads before the hills could slow me down. After all, I was driving the ultimate beast of a car, the E63 AMG. The AMG is Mercedes-Benz's own in-house high-performance vehicle subsidiary. Most of the normal Mercedes-Benz passenger vehicles have their own AMG versions. AMG takes the normal passenger version of a given Mercedes-Benz model and adds to it, resulting in a more performance-oriented vehicle. The pride of the AMG Mercedes family is the Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG, which offers a considerably sharpened design with an elegantly sporty look as well as significantly enhanced comfort and driving pleasure. With a truly amazing 5.5-litre V8 biturbo engine, the E63 AMG is capable of going from 0 to 100 in less than 4 seconds. Despite having more power and better performance, the E63 AMG has impressively high efficiency and low fuel consumption. I consider myself extremely lucky to be driving this beautiful beast of a machine. I might have a beast of a car, but I am on my way to meet the beast of Indian racing. He was once called the fastest Indian on earth and is Coimbatore's very own son, Narayan Karthikeyan. So Narayan, we all know that your dad is a former rally champion. How did you choose Formula racing over rallying? Why not rallying?
I don't know. I kind of liked circuit racing, Formula One, and it excited me a lot since I was a child. And that's how I wanted to become India's first Formula One driver. And as a kid, you make decisions which are,
Yeah, but every kid makes decisions like, I'm going to be a doctor, I'm going to be a lawyer, nothing ever works out.
Yeah.
Your dream stuck right from
Yeah. I mean,
a
if I think
child till
about
now?
it now, in many ways it shouldn't have worked out, but it did. And here I am living my dream.
So how difficult was it for you to get into Formula One?
many difficult decisions had to be made, and there was no other Indian who had done it before, so it was all new to us, and by trial and error and some good breaks, then I finally got into Formula One. But I made my racing debut in Sri Perumbudur in '93, so it took a good 12 years to get to Formula One, and in between there was lots of hardships living away from India as a 16-year-old. But I don't regret it, because that's the decision I chose, and I love what I'm doing, and I chose my career.
So are you going to take me in a racing car today?
You'll be surprised. It's a proper racing car at the Curry Motorsport.
I think I'm like the luckiest person on earth today. My dream come true. He's living his dream. I'm going to live mine now.
Curry Motor Speedway is one of the country's leading auto racing circuits. Being one of his favorite places in town, Karthikeyan offered to take me for a spin in a 2-seater Formula car.
Wow, that is the car we're going to go. You're going to take me for a drive in that?
Yeah, this is the J Motorsport designed car in Coimbatore. It's the Indy 2.0. So it's a track day car. They do have races with these cars. It's quite fast, very light, 240 horsepower, and it weighs only 500 kilos.
How fast are you going to take me? That's what I want to know.
This track, I think maybe today, because it's raining, maybe 200 kilometers an hour, but it's you'll find it quite fast and entertaining.
I'm sure I will, and I've never sat in one of these. Plus, driven by you, it's a dream come true.
As I stepped into the car and strapped myself, I felt a sudden rush of emotions hit me. The engine was turned on and its roar was overpowering. Before I knew it, Karthikeyan had taken on the track. I blanked out for a second. The drive was faster than I had ever accelerated in my life. We whizzed round and round, and it didn't matter where we were headed. It was all in the moment. The roar of the engine so loud, so powerful. The speed like a flash of a light. And as I turned to my right, there he was, Narain Karthikeyan maneuvering the car. It was an out-of-the-world experience, a thrill of a lifetime, and this was all mine to keep.
So was it tame or was it wild, or what do you think?
Tame! Tame is something that doesn't even go with what I just experienced. I can't even explain how I felt right now. Seriously, this is like a dream come true what I just experienced. I can't tell you the adrenaline. I can still feel it inside.
You were a great co-passenger, and you should
Was
do
I? Please say that again.
Yeah, you should drive a few races to get more feel and of racing. And
Narain Karthikeyan says that I'm a great co-passenger.
Yeah.
My day is made. Thank you so much. But what do you think your future is now? How can you even let go of this ever? If ever.
Well, at some point you have to stop, right? Like any sport, you have a shelf life.
I really hope this isn't my last meeting with you. I am definitely going to come back and see you again and hopefully experience this again. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was amazing meeting you.
Thank you.
And just like that, my day wound to a close. What an incredible day it had been. I had the urge to get back on the track and relive the experience, but there was a journey ahead of me. A journey of a different kind, to take on new highways and seek unique experiences. The Nilgiris waited to be explored. The next morning, I woke up to the sound of drizzle. Still basking in the glory of my stint at the racetrack the day before, I found it quite hard to get on the road and kickstart my journey to the Nilgiri Hills. I must confess that I'm having a bit of a problem driving today. The first reason is that I'm still suffering from a hangover from yesterday's experience. I can still feel the G-forces pushing me back in my seat and picture the tarmac flying by. Oof. And the second reason for my problem is that along with the temptation to go fast is the knowledge that I can go really fast in this E63 AMG.
The silent throbbing of the V8 engine and the gurgling exhaust keeps tempting me, but I shall be strong and I shall resist and drive like a good citizen. And you think my job is easy?
The road conditions didn't help either. I was driving on National Highway 67 that connects Coimbatore to the Nilgiris district. The roads were two-laned with a lot of traffic and continuous habitation, which made it tougher for me to keep going. But I drove on, hoping my journey would get better. Coming up on Follow the Star, after battling a rough start to my day, I managed to enter the Nilgiris region, which instantly cheers me up with its lush greenery and stunning views.